Hi, my name's Amanda and I'm a pharmacist. I'm doing a video series of the top 200 drugs. I'll be covering what the drugs are for, their generic and brand names. This is part 1, cardiovascular drugs. First, we'll look at the thiazide diuretics. These are known as water pills. They're for high blood pressure and swelling. You have chlorthalidone, and the brand name is Hygrotin or Thalatone. There's hydrochlorothiazide, its brand name is Microzide, and there's a combination product, hydrochlorothiazide triamterene, which is Maxide or Diazide. Next is the ACE inhibitors. They're also known as the angiotensin converting enzyme blockers. They're for high blood pressure and heart failure. They all have the suffix pril, P-R-I-L, at the end of the drug name. So there's benazepril, which is low tensin, ramipril, which is Altace, enalapril, which is Vasotec, lisinopril, which is Prenavil or Zestril, and lisinopril HCTZ, which is Prenazide or Zestiretic. Next is the ARBs. ARBs stands for angiotensin II receptor blockers. These are for high blood pressure and heart failure, and they have the suffix sartan, S-A-R-T-A-N. So you have losartan, which is Cozar, valsartan, which is Diovan, losartan HCTZ, which is Hyzar, valsartan HCTZ, which is Diovan HCT, and irbesartan, which is Avapro. Next is the beta blockers. These are for high blood pressure and irregular heartbeat. They end with the suffix OLOL, O-L-O-L. There's propranolol, which the brand name is Inderal, metoprolol, which is Lopressor, or Topril XL is the extended release version. There's carvedilol, which is Coreg, atenolol, which is Tenormin, and nebivolol, which is Bistolic. Next is the calcium channel blockers, and there are two types. First, we'll look at the dihydropyridine type. These are for high blood pressure. They end with the suffix ipine, I-P-I-N-E. First is nifedipine, which is Procardia or Adalat CC. Then amlodipine, which is Norvasc, and amlodipine benazepril, combination product, is Lotrel. Next is the non-dihydropyridine type of calcium channel blockers, and these are for high blood pressure and for rapid heart rate or abnormal heart rhythms. There's diltiazem, the brand name is Cardiazem, and verapamil, which is Kalin or Verilin. Next is the alpha blockers. These are for high blood pressure and also for enlarged prostate symptoms, or BPH. These end with the suffix osin, O-S-I-N. And you have doxazosin, which is Cardura, terazosin, which is Hytrin, and tamsulosin, which is Flomax. Now the tamsulosin, it is a selective alpha blocker for the urinary tract, so it is mainly for the symptoms of BPH, and it has less effect on the blood pressure. Next is the alpha-2 agonists. These are for high blood pressure and also for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. There's clonidine, which is Catapres, and guanfacine, which is Tenex or Intuniv. Next are the vasodilators. These are for high blood pressure and heart failure. And the specific nitrate vasodilators, they're also for chest pain. So there's hydralazine, which is apresilene, nitroglycerin, which is nitrostat, and isosorbide mononitrate, which is Emdur. Then there are other diuretics, or water pills. There's the loop diuretics, which are for swelling from various diseases, and that includes furosemide, which is Lasix. Then there are the potassium-sparing diuretics, which are for high blood pressure and heart failure. And included in that is spironolactone, which is aldactone. Then to finish this out, there are a couple other cardiovascular drugs we'll review here. There's the antiarrhythmics, which are for irregular heartbeat. And this includes amiodarone, which the brand name is Pacerone or Cordarone. And then there's a cardiac glycoside in the top 200. It's for heart failure and irregular heartbeat. And it's digoxin. The brand name is Lenoxin. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video with others who may find it helpful, and please subscribe to see more of my drug information videos. Up next, we'll be continue looking at the top 200 drugs. We'll do part 2, the blood thinners, cholesterol, and diabetes medications. Thanks for watching.